Hi guys, it's Alyssa again, and I'm gonna take you guys on a ride today and go into more detail in Shit, it is not registering my keys right now. What are you doing? Goodness. I love this car. I feel like top end from third to fourth pulls really hard. I feel like I was skating. You might be able to see how hard the car rides. I mean, I'm on a gimbal, so it probably really won't pick anything up. Hopefully, I have heated seats and a heated steering wheel because my hands are so cold. And this shifter does not help at all. When it's like really cold outside, it'll probably stay cold for like 25 minutes into the drive before it can even warm up. There's like nowhere to go to do what I'm trying to do. I don't want to bother a truck driver sleeping, so okay, so I'll go a little bit more in depth about a lot of the modifications that I did do the car since owning it. My mod list. Okay, so the car did come already with 178 tethers on it and a K&N cold air intake and a 15% lower pulley. Might as well just give it the love that it really just needed at this point. And then I also had him do my flex fuel sensor, which I currently am running E40. To run full 85, I'll probably need an upgraded fuel pump, so that's probably more down the road. And then I could probably use some upgraded coolers in the front. So that's coming next would be the coolers over probably any kind of wheels. So at least I can be running some better temps. I probably really need these coolers, so these probably would be my next purchase for the car, would be the upgraded auxiliary and the main radiator in the front. Besides that, oh, and then I also added a big gulp, obviously, intake on the car. I didn't go with the upgraded throttle body, so I do have to put the spacer on the intake to have it on there. I didn't know you needed that when I first bought it, and it sat in my closet for like 2 years when I bought it. Really reliable. I have no complaints. It runs great. It looks great. Like I said before, I don't think a lot of people like the big end plates. I really don't care. I feel like I just have, it's my touch. You know, just like anybody would want to do anything to their own car, it's your own touch. So, I mean, I really don't care what anyone has to say. To each of their own. I'm sure a lot of you will warm up to it. So I have no complaints, obviously, with any of you guys kind of have an opinion there. Like I mentioned before, the carbon add-on door handle covers, I wouldn't recommend because I had them less than a year, and they were peeling, and they look like dog ass right now. Okay. Now let's hope nobody calls the cops on me now. Because that was loud as shit.